Hey everybody, I'm Joey and today we're baking crispy chicken wings in the oven. These wings are so tasty, you'll be the big game MVP. So follow me and let's get baked. Let's put an end to the old debate right now. Survey says 54% of people prefer the drumettes, while only 25% of people prefer the flats. So that settles that. But interestingly enough, 21% of people love wings so much, they don't care which piece they get. Just give me them wings, man. And do you know that wings are so popular that Americans consume over 100 million pounds of wings on Super Bowl Sunday alone? That's a lot of wings, man. But enough with the facts, let's get to the goods. Today, we're making chicken wings, so yes, we're gonna need some wings. Here I have 4 pounds, which have been pre-trimmed to remove the wing tips, which I just reserved for soup. You can trim them, not trim them, buy them pre-cut. I don't even care because they're gonna turn out great no matter what you do with them. Next, you wanna preheat the oven to 250 degrees and get that warming up while we get ready to season these. Also, one more tip. You want to go ahead and prepare your baking pans right now. As you can see, I have these baking racks on top. We do not want to put the wings directly on the foil. So, let's get seasoning. Okay, to season these, the first thing we're going to need is just a little bit of flour. I have a half a tablespoon here. Next, we're going to need some JoJo rub. This is 3.5 tablespoons of a simple rub we created ourselves, found using common ingredients found in most kitchens. It's really easy to make, but you can also substitute it with whatever seasoning you like. And finally, we're going to need 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, not baking soda. And this is the real key to getting the chicken skin with that crispity, crunchity exterior. What this does is it actually changes the pH balance of the chicken skin as it cooks, or something like that. Look, I don't really know, but I know that it works, and it's science, man. So if you don't believe me, go check it out on your Google machine. But we're gonna wanna mix all these together and just liberally coat these wings right before we put them in the oven. Let's get going. Okay, so now let's get this mixture on the wings. And what we wanna do is just try to thoroughly coat them as best as we can. Dust a little bit on top. Then you can really use your hand, or you can use a fork, or whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm gonna use my hand. I'm gonna use all this seasoning here today. So let's just go ahead and get these mixed up and continue the process until we get it thoroughly coated on all sides. We want these seasoned liberally as well. So now that I have these wings thoroughly coated, 3 or 4 times I've mixed them up, fully seasoned, let's just go ahead and get them on the rack. Yeah, you wanna make sure that these are spaced out enough to make sure that they're not quite touching each other. Let the air circulate around them as they cook. And I can't get them all on one pan, so I actually have 2 set up here. I'd rather use 2 than try to put too many on one rack. All right, now that these wings are seasoned, it's time to get them in the oven. As I said, we're gonna put them in at 250 degrees, and this low temperature is gonna help render some of the fat from the wings as they cook. We're gonna leave them in there for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, we're gonna turn up the temperature to 425 degrees. And this is where the wings are gonna get really crispy. We're gonna leave them in there for about another 40 to 45 minutes. Look, it's an easy recipe, but it ain't fast. While your wings are cooking, you can indulge in your unhealthy drinking habits, watch the big game on TV, or my favorite, search for conspiracy theories online. All right, these wings took about 1 hour and 10 minutes total cooking. As I said earlier, it's not fast, but it's totally worth it. And they smell absolutely amazing. So you can make these plain as I've made them or coat them in your favorite sauce. They're gonna taste absolutely great. I'd be proud to serve these anytime, and you should too. Our motto at Red Meat Lover is cooking meat made easy, and that's just what we strive to show you in every single video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like right below, or leave your comments. Even better, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. We release a new video every single month. And you know, there's a lot of division in the world today. Some people are left wing, others are right wing, but I'm Team Chicken Wing all day. We'll see you next time. So crunchy.